Hey folks, Adam here, checking out this. It's the Turmeric Curcumin supplement from Dr. Kara. Now, I've gone through a lot of these bottles and I thought I'd take a minute to talk a little bit about it. Now, it has exactly what you want. It's got that turmeric extract and the curcumin, as well as the Boswellian extract. I have a hard time saying that. Serrata extract. There we go. But those are the three ingredients that you're going to want to look for if you're trying to get rid of inflammation. Now, by inflammation, what does that mean? If your back and neck ache from sitting too much at a chair, from laying down too often, if by the end of your night of sleep you just feel achy, it's probably because of inflammation. And inflammation affects practically every single American in one way or the other. When your wrists hurt, when you have to pop your fingers all the time, your wrists are falling asleep at night, you're at the keyboard, that's inflammation. That's your body's inability to move back and forth in the way it should. Well, this makes a world of difference. Now, Dr. Kara, Dr. M. Kara, he's dedicated his entire career here in the US. He's out of Ohio, I think the Cleveland Clinic. He's dedicated his whole life to fighting inflammation, and that makes a world of difference. He also works on heart health. He works on a few other things, but inflammation is his big bugaboo, and he's really got a great supplement here. We're talking practically no calories, less than 5 calories, and you're just gonna take 2 of these vegetable-based supplements a day. Now, a lot of people are like, are supplements really good for me? Yeah, this one is. Now, I can't speak to every supplement, but this is really like a ground root that they've put this in their food in India, they put this in their food in China, in Asia, and people have found that this really helps with your overall feeling, life quality, etc., etc. Now, I can't make medical claims, can't do that, but people who take this seem to live very long, healthy lives, so I'm taking it, and I think you should too. That's just my opinion. It's 2 turmeric curcumin vegetable-based capsules with a glass of water every single day. This is by Dr. Kara, formulated in the USA, GMP certified facilities, vegan, and no genetically modified organisms. They're making the best of the best. So folks, if you're looking for a great supplement, you're gonna wanna go ahead and pick this one up. This is going to help with those aches and pains and keep your body moving. All right, folks, again, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. This is a preferred brand. Dr. Kara has an incredible pedigree, and it's formulated in the USA, doctor formulated, and it's right for you. So go ahead and check it out. You're not going to be disappointed. I appreciate you. You're awesome. Now get to shopping.